Hi there! Are you ready to learn how to make a square tassel? Yeah, let's go! Take a piece of cardboard or sturdier paper, fold it a few times, and start wrapping a cord around it. Wrap until you've reached the desired thickness for your tassel, which is both sides combined, and then cut alongside one of the cardboard edges. Divide the cords into 4 equal portions. Start placing them one by one on the table in front of you to form a square. Now each bundle should go over and under another bundle once, like this. Then fold the bundles over themselves, one by one again, until you're at the very last cord bundle. Here, you pass the cord ends through the loop to close your square. Take a shorter piece of cord, we'll call this your tassel cord, and make an overhand knot at the end of it, and then make another overhand knot on top of it. We need quite a big knot here. Now pass the knot through the square and start tightening each bundle of cords one at a time. To get this right and neat, you might need some time. Once your square is tight, slide the overhand knot to touch the square and fold the cords to cover the knot. Now we're ready for a gathering knot to close the tassel. Take another piece of cord, leave about 5 centimeters of wrapping cord over your tassel top, make a loop with the wrapping cord by the tassel bottom, and start wrapping from top to bottom. Do 5 rounds minimum or to your own taste. Once you're done with the wrapping, pass the wrapping cord through the loop you created and pull the shorter cord to close the loop and trap the cord inside the wrap. Cut both ends of the wrapping cord. Brush out the cords to make them nice and smooth. Pet brushes work really well if you happen to have one at home. I've got 3 cats, so we have one of these. To finish off, cut the cords to your desired length and you're done.